Sadesati, the 7.5-year period of Saturn. When Shanidev transits to 12th house, 1st house and 2nd house from the moon sign is when one experiences the effects of Sadesati. Shanidev is natural karma karaka as well as karma paladata, and that's why the Sadesati can either be full of turbulences or full of roses, depending upon the position of Shanidev and various other factors applicable on the horoscope. I have listed out 9 common effects one may experience during Sadesati. Let's try to understand one by one. Number 1. Buying new house, vehicle or any property. When Shanidev transits to 12th house, he activates the house of long-term investments and house of losses. For buying any new property, vehicle or any new house will incur huge amount of money, and this condition satisfies the transit of Shani in the 12th house. Because Shani is such a outer planet and such a big planet, he is also the planet of transformation. So buying new house, vehicle or any property is possible during this time. Number 2. Traveling abroad for work purpose and abroad settlement. Shanidev, as I mentioned, he is the natural karma karaka. So traveling abroad is possible when Shanidev transits to the 12th house, because 12th house also represents foreign countries, and also 12th house is the 3rd house from the 10th, which is the house of profession. So there will be travel to abroad for work purpose, and also there is a possibility of abroad settlement if there is a promise of it in the horoscope. Number 3. Change in job domain, change of profession, multiple sources of income. As I mentioned earlier, Shanidev is natural karma karaka as well as karma paladata. If a person is in any wrong profession or in any profession where his time is already done, then there is a lot of chances or probability that there could be a change in the profession and also in the job domain, which can be fruitful for him for the next 30 years. And also Shanidev being the karma paladata, he is the karaka for multiple sources of income. And that's why it is always said, Shanidev jab dega, chappad paad ke dega. Number 4. Quitting job and starting new business. Shanidev always wants the person to be individual and also independent. And that's why quitting job and starting new business or taking risk in building something new where it requires a lot of hard work, patience is what Shanidev wants an individual to do if there is a promise of doing so in the horoscope. And during Sadesati, Shanidev will make it happen by putting the person into a lot of turbulences and had to go through a lot of hardships as well. But at the end of the time, definitely the person will be rewarded suitably. Number 5. Getting into prolonged legal issues and resolution of existing legal issues. Shanidev is very important for legal matters along with Jupiter. He also represents judges along with Venus, and that's why if Shani's connection is with 6th house or 8th house and also with any of the planets like Venus and Jupiter, definitely getting into prolonged legal issues or resolution of any kind of existing legal issues is possible during this time, because Shanidev is naturally karaka for the 6th house as well and also for the 8th house. So that's why this is also possible during Sadesati. Again, it is applicable based on your individual horoscope. Number 6. Receipt of ancestral property. Shanidev represents all this ancestral and antique stuffs, and also is something which for which a person has to receive the fruits of it, for which he was fighting from a very long time. And that's why ancestral property is also one such thing, and person, if he has the promise of receiving the ancestral property in the horoscope, then during Sadesati could be the time when this event may happen. Number 7. Getting married and having children. Couples who were in relationship for a long time and were wishing to get married, or an individual looking for a suitable match from a very long time also may get a suitable and a mature partner during this time due to the effect of Shanidev, because Sadesati is all about getting settled and to go ahead in life, and even having children is also possible as Shanidev looks to bring endurance in marital life. Number 8. Being freed of toxic relations and divorce settlement. Shanidev always removes any individual from the problems if he is facing it from a very long time. So if any person in any relationship or is battling out a divorce case, from a very long time, then Shanidev will give that person mukti from these stuffs. So that's why divorce settlement is also possible during Sadesati. Number 9. Studying occult sciences, becoming spiritual, living celibate life. This is one of the prime and most important aspects of any individual's life, because this can lead to moksha as well. So, Shanidev being the Karaka for Prachina Vidya, and also he is the Vairagya as well, and he represents Bhagwan Shiva. So, studying occult sciences and becoming spiritual, living celibate life is most preferred during Sadesati by many individuals, because it puts you through many hardships, and that's when people will move towards this path of life. So these are the 9 common effects of Sadesati. So please do let me know which one of you have faced or you are facing right now. Thank you.